Hey, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I have a new limited edition planner supply box for you from 𝘮𝘮𝘊𝘆 Posh. It's called Chic Coquette. It was curated by Lila from 𝘮𝘗 Novelties, and I can't wait to see what's inside. I've been looking forward to this. So you get a little card that says the Posh box. And then it says, welcome to your Chic Coquette collection. In curating this collection, I drew inspiration from the romantic ambiance of Paris, where planning becomes an art. With soft pink florals and whimsical watercolor bows, the Chic Coquette Posh box brings a dreamy, chic aesthetic to your everyday planning. Inside, you'll find everything you need to craft your own notebook, carry essentials in a stylish pouch, and adorn your planner with elegant stickers. I hope this chic and romantic collection inspires you to embrace your coquette lifestyle. XO Lila. Okay, so it tells you everything inside, and let's check it out. By the way, I'm going to link this for you in the description box. You cannot use discount codes on this, unfortunately, but that's all limited edition boxes. You can't. If you wouldn't mind using my link, if you're going to purchase, I would really appreciate it. It retails for $59.99 and it's chock full of stuff from what I've seen, but let's see it in person. Okay. We have all sorts of things. I love these little boxes. They're so fun. Just like a little collection of things, you know? It's just really, really fun. Okay, first let's check out this pouch. Ooh, it's squishy. I love it. Look at this. I can't explain the feel of this, but it feels so good. And it says 𝘮𝘮𝘊𝘆 Posh. Don't eat that. But it has a gold zipper, and the zipper is really nice. I just love how this feels. It's spongy, like, oh, I love it. And I'm gonna put all my things in it. Like this. We have a little Chic Coquette washi tape cutter with a cute little bow on it. I'm gonna put this in my pouch. Okay, so we have some die cut stickers. Let's check these out. This will probably be a preview of what's inside this sticker book, I would think. I'm gonna move this though so you can see better. I'll just stick it on my lap. I love this aesthetic. Look at the bows. And a little shop, little books and pearls, and those heels that I'll never wear, but they're so cute. And we're gonna take these and put these big stickers. I collect a whole bunch of die cut stickers. I don't use them that often, but I love having them. And we'll put that in my little pouch. Next, we have some washi tape. Already I'm in love with the pink one. I'm a sucker for gingham washi tape or plaid or whatever. I guess that's gingham. And I love light pink, and I don't have a light pink one like this, so I'm very excited to get that. All right, so the first one has little bows on it. Very cute. Let's actually open it up. So there's also a stripe on it. You can see how pretty that is. It's very delicate and pretty. And then, I don't have to show you this one. We all know what that one is, right? This one has those little shops on it. Super cute. And it's pink, like a light pink background. See? If you love pink, you're going to love this box. I happen to really love pink. Let's put these in my little pouch. And then we have 3 smaller ones here. This one has a pattern. And then these 2 are just plain. But let me see what this pattern is. I think it's just like floral. Yeah, so it looks like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just very, like an unobtrusive floral pattern, just very subtle. I guess it's roses or something. I love that. And it's like a true pale pink, which is very difficult to find in like washi tape, in pens and stickers, whatever. Like true pale pink, I'm always looking for. So I'm excited to get those. All right, next up, we have a pen, which I collect these pens. I have them all together. I love using these when I want to feel fancy, or I use them in my photos for props, my Instagram photos. So it's a gel pen. Look at the gold and the pink, and it says Live Love Posh on there. Really cute. I'll put that in my pouch. Ah, stuff's flying everywhere. And then we have little discs. Look at that cute little pink pouch. Okay, here's the sticker book. All sorts of things. So this can be put together to make a notebook. So I like this. It has dividers. I'm actually not going to open this part because I'm going to have to. Oh wait, does it go this way? Yes. Well, actually I will, because I want to show you the dividers, but I'm not going to like put it together with it. So, but I like this because it comes with little labels where you can separate this notebook into sections. So notes, daily, lists, monthly, homework, routine, travel, self-care, plans, all that kind of stuff. And this is what the dividers look like. Let your light shine. So pretty. Look at that. I want to be there right now, you know? Eating like little pastries in Paris. I miss Paris. Anyway, I'm not going to put this together right now, but I just wanted to show this to you. And so you can basically separate this into sections. This is just plain lined paper with these cute little ribbons on it. Okay, I will open the cover and show you. So this is the front, and this is the inside, which is so sweet. And that's the back. And of course you can flip it and have this as the front if you'd like. But yeah, I think that's very like romantic, right? And so you just have put the little discs on here and you have yourself a cute little notebook. Okay, let's take a look at this sticker book now. I'm filming this rather late, so I'm not gonna do a plan with me in this video, but I will be using this very soon because I just know I'm gonna love it because I love this vibe. So it's called Chic Coquette. All right, so right away, it's very, very fancy. We have this girl here with the ribbon in her hair, a bathtub. These are on clear, by the way. It's just so fancy, right? And you get 2 pages of each, it looks like. We have like the candelabra, all that kind of stuff. The macarons, the fancy typewriter, tea set. We have the cake, all sorts of stuff there. Okay, and then we have ribbons, and these are on paper, which I'm really happy about. And you can, and there's a sheet on clear as well, but you can use these for in so many different ways. Like I think my favorite way is going to be to put like a little ribbon on top of a box to make a fancy box, you know? There might be boxes in here though. Roses, so pretty. And there's little bows in there too. Those are on clear. And then we have some little shops, little Parisian cafes and, you know, all those kind of stores, patisseries and all that kind of stuff. And that was on paper. This is on clear, same thing. We have more of that vibe. So you can create a little Parisian town in your planner. You can create Paris in your planner with the Eiffel Tower. That little terrace. So cute. Oh, a little French poodle. The croissant. Very pretty colors here. These are all clear. More ribbons. You've got a lot of bows. I guess I should call them bows, not ribbons. And then if you're a high heel girly, these are for you, you know. These are on paper. They're very fancy. You've got a lot of flowers on them. And some boxes that aren't quite boxes, right? They're like different shapes, but they're to write your plans in. 2 pages on paper. And then I love these street lamps. They're fun with the flowers and the Eiffel Tower again. Such a cool vibe. Those are on clear. And then we have a bunch of strip stickers. Again, love this. This is the same as those washi tapes, except for this one. The washi tape didn't have a pattern, but the rest of them look like the washi tape. And you get 2 sheets of that, and then you do get boxes in here. Some of them will have little designs on them, which is nice. So notes, to-do, tasks, goals, important. You have all the different size boxes and bullet points. 2 pages of each. We do have some foil here that's like a, it's very, very warm gold. It's almost like, no, it's definitely gold, I guess, but it's very warm. Yeah, I was so bad at like telling you what foils are, like what the color of the foil is. I'm very, very bad at that. I don't know why. Okay, well, I'm not gonna beat myself up for that. Now we move into the quotes. Sassy and classy, that's my style. Let your light shine, so chic, coquette vibes. Effortless elegance. Life's too short to not be a little flirty. Coquette girl, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Playful hearts never go out of style. Less perfection, more authenticity. Chic happens. Okay, so you get one of those on paper and one on clear for your coquette quotes. That's pretty hard to say. So I think they knocked it out of the park on this box. You know, it's very trendy and very cute, so they did a great job on this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Listen, squishy, yeah. Let me know what you think. I think it's an adorable box. Again, I will put my link in the description box. As always, love it when you use it. It does make up part of my income. It helps me out a lot, so thank you for doing that. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.